Garci here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, give me a like and share this video. In today's video guys, I am going to share my super powerful drink. Normally I drink to control my calorie intake. It can help suppress the appetite. There's a lot of healthy benefits in it. Without further ado, let me introduce you the Fennel seeds water. I'm going to give you a recipe of making the fennel water. First steps, we have of course tumbler, and the crunchy bulb and aromatic seeds of fennel are highly nutritious and may offer an abundance of health benefit. Add 2 tablespoons and pour some water. Make it full. When it's done, just keep it in the fridge overnight. So whenever you wake up in the morning, you have your fennel water ready to drink. Here you go. This is our fennel water. Adding them into your diet may improve your heart health, reduce inflammation, and suppress appetite. Of course, that's the most important in losing weight because it suppresses our appetite of eating more calories. This is very good. There's a lot of healthy benefit you can get from it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.